Tunaendelea na discussion ya biochemistry, na kwenye kipindi kilichopita tuliona introduction to proteins. Kwenye hichi kipindi tunaendelea na amino acids. Kwa hiyo amino acids are basic unit from which protein are made. Kwa hiyo from which protein are made. Kwa amino acids huku ndiko, hizi ndizo unit ndogo ndogo ambazo zinatengeneza amino acids. Over 170 amino acids are currently known to occur in cells and tissues. Of these, only 20 are commonly found in proteins. Kwa amino acids ziko zaidi ya 170, lakini zile ambazo huwa zinaonekana mara nyingi kwenye proteins ni amino acids 20 tu. Kwa hiyo so plants are able to make their own amino acids. Plants are able to make all amino acids they require from simple substances. So kama ambavyo tunajua kwenye plant, kama ambavyo tumesoma kwenye nutrition, kwamba plant akishatengeneza ile carbohydrate na uwezo kuiconvert kwenda kwenye amino acids. However, animals are unable to synthesize all that they need, and therefore must obtain some ready-made amino acids directly from their diet. Kwa animals hawezi kutengeneza amino acids zote. Baadhi ya amino acids lazima zipate toka kwenye diet. From this basis, tunakuwa two types of amino acids. We have essential and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are the ones which must be included in diet. Manake this is because they cannot be made in the body at all, or if they are made, too slow to meet the needs. In other words, essential amino acids are described as essential because they cannot be synthesized. Na katika hizo amino acids 8 kati ya zile 20 zenyewe ni essential amino acids. Lakini pia kwa infant ziko amino acids 10 badala ya 8. Kwa infant wanashindwa kusynthesize amino acids 10, lakini adult wana uwezo wa kusynthesize amino acids 12, wanashindwa 8. Kwa zile 8 ndio zinakuwa zinaitwa kama essential amino acids. Lakini pia kuna non-essential amino acids. Hapo tunatakiwa kuelewa ni concept, kwa sababu hakuna swali ambalo utaulizwa kusema essential amino acids ni ipi kati ya hizi au non-essential ni ipi. Kwa hiyo non-essential, they are the ones which can be made from essential amino acids in the body. Kwa essential amino acids zikiwepo, non-essential they are made from essential. Animals can make non-essential amino acids from essential amino acids. Proteins which are rich in essential amino acids, they are called first class or high quality proteins. They are most common in animals, is found in milk, meat, fish and eggs. Kwa hiyo proteins ambazo ziko rich kwenye essential amino acids, ni kweli hizo essential amino acids tunazipata kwenye diet, lakini some of the parts of the body like meat, and meat more especially in liver, because the liver is the organ which deals more with protein metabolism. Pia kwenye plants, kwa mfano na soya plantains is useful as source of first class protein. Other proteins are referred to as second class proteins or low quality proteins. Kwa kama ambavyo unaweza kuona hapo kwamba kuna first class proteins zinazokuwa zina large amount or large proportion of essential amino acids, na pia kuna low quality proteins or second class proteins. Now let's look on the structure of amino acids. The name amino acid is due to two groups found in the amino acid molecule. In the structure of amino acid, there is central carbon atom known as alpha carbon atom, to which is always attached an acidic carboxylic group and a basic amino group and a hydrogen atom. Kwa hiyo kwenye muundo wa amino acid, simple structure for amino acid, tuna carbon atom, then tuna carboxylic group, then in another side tunayo amino group, then we have hydrogen, and here we have R. So this R is variable, and R can be hydrogen, can be methyl, can be benzene ring, or can be any molecule or any compound or a chain, a hydrocarbon chain. So this is the basic structure for amino acid, and as you can see here, we have an acidic group and we have a basic group. Here we have hydrogen. So this is the one which we call alpha carbon. Kwa inaitwa amino acid kwa sababu gani? Hii ni amino group. Amino group. Alafu huku ni acidic group ambayo ni carboxylic. Kwa maana inaitwa amino acid. So the name amino acid ni kutokana kwamba ina amino group ambayo ni basic pamoja na acidic group. Kwa hiyo kuwa na basic group na acidic group in the same molecule, we call it as amphoteric. Kwa hiyo ndio maana tunasema proteins they are amphoteric in nature. Kwa sababu gani? Hata amino acid mwenyewe ni amphoteric in nature. Kwa hiyo tunachokisema nini? The fourth position is the only variable part of the molecule. The group here is known as R group. This group gives each amino acid its uniqueness. Ndio maana nimekwambia hapa kwamba tunakuwa tuna amino, carboxylic, hydrogen, then hapa tunakuwa tuna R group which is variable. So this is the one which gives each amino acid the uniqueness. So the simplest amino acid and therefore the easiest one to learn as example is glycine. Kwenye glycine hapa kwenye R inakuwepo hydrogen. Kwa hiyo hapa kwenye glycine inakuwepo hydrogen. Kwa hiyo inaonekana R COOH hydrogen NH2 then hydrogen. This is glycine. Simplest amino acid. Na tukitoka hapo huwa tunafuata R COOH then hydrogen NH2, hapa ndako tuna methyl. This is called alanine. Kwa glycine na alanine hizo ndo simplest sana. Na ndio maana nakwambia R is simplest hydrogen, where R is methyl. When R is methyl, the amino acid form is alanine. Kwa unaweza kuona this is the general formula for amino acid. And here this is glycine and this is alanine. So sometimes you may be asked a question. Maybe your teacher have drawn you this structure, and then R hydrogen H. Then mwalimu wako anakuuliza, what is this? What does this diagram represent? The diagram represents general formula of amino acid or general structure of amino acid. General structure of amino acid. Okay. After that, maybe your teacher gives you a question that lists 4 groups which can stand in place of R. Alafu anaweza kuuliza, why is the molecule referred to as amphoteric? Kwa unaweza kuona ni jinsi gani ambavyo vitu vinaweza vikawa vinaenda. Lakini pia tuna kitu tunakiita rare amino acids. Rare amino acids. Achana na zile 20 ambazo zimezoeleka. A small number of rare amino acids occur in the proteins of organisms. They are made from some of the common amino acids. This is repetition. From some of the common amino acids. Example, hydroxyproline. Hydroxyproline is made from proline and is found in protein collagen. Or hydroxylysine is made from lysine and is also found in collagen. Kwa hizi ni layer amino acids, sio most common kama ambavyo ziko amino acids nyingine kwenye proteins. There is no DNA code for layer amino acids, and they are made from their parent amino acids after they have been incorporated into protein. Kwa zile amino acid, kwa mfano hizo hydroxyproline, manake tayari proline inakuwa imetengenezewa kodi yake, ile protein code. After hapo codon, manake toka hapo ile proline inaenda kukaa kwenye chain. Ikishakaa kwenye chain, modification inatokea pale pale kwenye chain kuiconvert kutoka kwenye proline kwenda kwenye hydroxyproline. Lakini pia kuna hizo non-protein amino acids. Non-protein amino acids ni zile amino acids ambazo hazipatikani kwenye protein lakini zipo. Over 150 of these are known to occur either free or in a combined form in cell, but never in proteins. For example, GABA. GABA ni protein na anact kama neurotransmitter. Ni inhibitory neurotransmitter. Tutaenda kumuona kwenye coordination. Huyu anaitwa ni gamma aminobutyric acid. Ni amino acid. Gamma aminobutyric acid. Hajawahi patikana kwenye protein yoyote, ila anajulikana tu kama neurotransmitter. Is visually unique to the nervous system. It is an inhibitory neurotransmitter important in the brain. Na tutaenda kuona huyu GABA anapofanya kazi huko kwenye coordination. Kwa hiyo kwenye hichi kipindi kwenye niishie hapa. Kipindi kijacho tutaangalia hizi properties of amino acids, lakini pia tutaangalia different categories of amino acids. Kama ambavyo unaweza kuona kuna range of amino acids. Kwa hiyo just stay with me, subscribe the channel, share the video to your fellows, share the video in groups, and then don't forget to click the link below in the description to join my Telegram group for more discussion and for questions. For any suggestions, comment below and share this to different students so that we may continue together with biochemistry. Thank you, and I wish you nice studies.